everyone, I want to show you the tutorial how to use the custom menu plugin for Unreal Engine. Here we could notice two folders, the custom menu plugin content and the custom menu plugin C++ classes folder. In the first folder we could find our C++ classes on which based all our Blueprint classes, and inside the content folder we could see the menu folder with two maps, main menu and the test map, which was started from the main menu. You could change the test map with your own map. I will show you how to do that folder. The main classes of this plugin placed here in the widgets folder, and we can find here main menu widget, which represents the main menu with all logic for it, and the pause menu, which represents the in-game pause menu with the logic too, the blueprint settings option. The settings option consists of two parts: the option name and the option values combo box, where you will set your options in game. Main and more interesting class for us is the blueprint settings widget class. Let's open it. So here we can see the settings menu and the box where all our settings options will appear in a runtime. Okay, how we can set all these settings? To start, we are going to the Graph tab, and here inside the Details tab we can find two options. In the Settings button tab we can find Settings option, where we could set the blueprint settings option, which represent each option in the settings menu, and the settings button map. Click here, so we can find all our settings in this tab. For example, I preset before here the display resolution scale, FPS, etc. So how we can add or remove settings here? Firstly, I want to show you how to remove the settings. If you don't want, for example, effects detailing, just click here and delete this option from the menu. So let's delete another one, texture quality 2, and check what we will see in the menu. So let's start, go to the settings tab, and we can see that the shadow quality setting is the last setting in our menu. Okay, so let's go and I will show you how to use that blueprint to add the settings you need. If we want to return our texture quality settings here, click this cross, adds elements. Here we will see the field to the element name. So let's type it, texture quality, and inside all the settings we can find two parts. The first part is the console command prefix, and the second part is the console command values, which represent the map contains of the representation shown in a combo box and the real value for the console command here. So for example, here we can see low, medium, high and epic for the combo box, and values from 0 to 3 for the console command values. Repeat once more: option name, console command prefix, and console command values. Now the question is where we can find for example, the texture quality, console comment prefix, and console comment values. To find it, click here and go to the Unreal Scalability in Google. Here we could see the scalability reference, which contains all these settings, or almost all settings we need: scalability, resolution, view distance, anti-aliasing, post-processing, etc. So we need to go here to the texture, and we can see that for the texture, Unreal has SG, texture quality, console comment. We can copy it and paste here. Now we need the console comment values for this comment. We can find it here. For the texture quality, we have values from 0 to 3 maximum. Okay, so we need to create a new map element for the console comment values, and let's type here like a low texture quality with the 0, medium, for example, high, and finally epic. And here we can set the values from 0 to 3. Okay, save it and compile. So let's repeat. The texture quality is the name, the console comment prefix sg.textureQuality, and the console comment values here. That is all you need to use the console comment as settings options. And you might remember that all these settings will save automatically with the script inside the C++ class. So let's check our result. Save, compile, start our game, and here we are. We have the new option, texture quality, with all these options inside. The next step, I want to show you how to use the pause menu inside the game and start with your own level if you want. So here in main menu widget, inside the graph tab, we can find the start button logic. Let's change this level name with our own first level. For example, here we should go to the first person CPP maps, and here we have the first person example 1. So copy this, go to the main menu widget, graph tab, and inside the start button logic we go to the level name and substitute it with our first level name. Save, compile, and we are going to make one more change here. Let's go to the pause menu, and inside the graph tab we'll find this code. So let's copy it, Ctrl C, copy, go to the our map, open it, and open the blueprints, open level blueprint tab. Inside the level blueprint we need to paste it. Let's choose the key to open the pause tab. I want to set it as Q, because inside the editor escape will terminate your game and you couldn't open the pause menu. So let's set the Q button here, connect. Now let's check on this blueprint, and inside the construct function let's set the pause menu. Okay, so For the save, compile, see the map, and let's open our main menu and check all our settings, all our reference work as expected. So settings here. Okay, let's start the game. First person shooter level. Press Q, and here we have the pause menu. After you shut down the level and the menu and the game as well, all the settings will save, and after the starting the game, all settings will be loaded from the save file. That's all. Thank you for the watching. Take this asset and use it in your own game, and I hope you will be great in your development path. Bye.